Hi guys, Pattern Maker Pro is back. Now, if you've been following me in my channel, you would have noticed that I did quite a lot of videos on Pattern Maker Pro. I did videos on how you can use it, how you can register, how you can create your basic blocks with Pattern Maker Pro. Then it was a completely free CAD pattern drafting software. So I actually took my time and did quite a lot of videos with it. Then after some time, they went off air. You could not log in, nothing. They just brought down the software, you know. But now, the software is back and stronger. In this video, I'm going to be taking you through the new platform of the Pattern Maker Pro. I'm going to be showing you what and what is there now. I'm going to be talking about, the positives of this new one. And if there's any kind of negatives, I'm also going to talk about it. I'm not going to be drafting anything. I'm not drafting anything. I'm only going to take you through the new platform so you see it, and then so that you can decide whether to start using it or not. So let's get started. Hi, my name is Enorita James, and in my channel, I take you by the hand and I show you how to transit from manual pattern drafting to digital pattern drafting. In this video, I'm going to be showing you the new Pattern Maker Pro platform. I'm going to show you what is there right now. I'm going to talk a little bit about, what and what you can get, how you can get their manuals, how you can learn how to use the pattern drafting tools and things like that in this video. So, without wasting time, let's get to my computer and let's see what the new Pattern Maker Pro looks like. This is Pattern Maker Pro. To get to this, their website, you just put in Pattern Maker Pro in Google and it takes you exactly here. So let's get to their home page. That is their home page. So this is what you get. Before I talk about how you can get the software, let's just look at the menus here. Number one menu here is your frequently asked questions. Here is where you can ask all the questions you need to ask. These are all the questions that have been asked and answered. So anything you want to know about Pattern Maker Pro, you come here and whatever is your question is already answered. What is this? Does this work on my phone or tablet? Do I have to switch to the Chrome browser? What can I do with the patterns? So on and so forth. Can I make a business out of Pattern Maker Pro? This one is very interesting to me. So let's see the answer. Yes, you are encouraged to. Pattern Maker Pro is a professional tool designed to help you start or grow your business. You can use the software to draft original patterns for a clothing line, create and sell printable PDF patterns, develop custom patterns for clients, sell garments you have designed. So all patterns you generate and the garments you make from them are your own property. So you're free to sell it for profit without any attribution to Pattern Maker Pro. So in case you want to use this for your business, you're completely free to use it to design your patterns and sell, and to also design clothes from those patterns and also sell. Some of these websites that do this pattern, they will tell you that you have no right to sell the patterns, but you can use the patterns to make clothing. So that is why that is very important. I needed you to see that. And then, can I install Pattern Maker Pro on more than one computer? I read this one, no. Your license key is tied to your single computer. They do this to prevent piracy and ensure the security of the software. So there are a lot of questions here. You can just quickly go through them and see, whatever questions you want to make. Like if you want to know who are the people behind Pattern Maker Pro, then the question is there. You can read it where it is registered, The software is the result of years of development and all that. So this is the frequently asked questions. Create your time, go through it. I always like going through preferred asked questions and their answers. Everything before I even start doing anything. And then demo. What is this demo section all about? The demo section actually is for you to try out the Pattern Maker Pro. When I started the video, I told you that Pattern Maker Pro was free. But unfortunately, the only thing that I don't, that is a downside to this new one is that it is no longer free. But it is also not a subscription software. It is a software that you can buy and own for life, which is very good, especially if you want to start going into pattern drafting as a business. And you can own you can own your own pattern drafting software. You just buy it, you own it, you use it to design whatever you want to design. So here in this demo it is a full featured and ready to use without downloading anything to your computer. You know? So here you can click here to take you to the download, to the demo, where you can use it and do in fact, draft whatever you want to draft, try your hands on it, play with it, do whatever you want to do with it. The only thing is that you cannot download whatever you create because it's a demo. That's just the difference, you know. So they said the demo is a standard website and it's not a PWA like the purchase software will be. So that's it. You have tutorial SVG files here. You have the tutorials here. Once you click on it, takes you to the tutorials. You can import test measurement sets to use. If you don't know what measurement sets are, if you go through my channels, I talk a lot about what measurement sets are. You have a quick start guide in the manual. So everything. So if you really want to try this demo, it's better you start with the quick start guide. Start with the quick start guide and go through here. In fact, they went into details, everything here. You know what is Pattern Maker Pro? It show you how to install the Pattern Maker Pro, the quick start, show you how to enter your values, the power of memorization. What is this memorization? What does it mean when it comes to Pattern Maker Pro? How does it help you in terms of your patterns? What this simply does is that once you create a basic block, maybe you create a basic block, basic sleeves, basic trousers, pants, basic skirt. You don't need to create again for any other person. That's what it means. If you have a customer that has his own different measurements, you just go back to that one you did and then just use that same one and it will just with a click automatically adjust itself to fit the customer. That's the beauty of the Pattern Maker Pro, this new Pattern Maker Pro. The power of memorization, you know. Once you click it, you can read here how it works. You don't have to redraft, you know. You don't have to redraft anything. You draft once, you use forever. So you just begin by creating an initial pattern draft using all the software's comprehensive tools. Export your memorized draft. And once your draft is complete, you can then export it as a memorized draft. This export isn't just a static image, it's a dynamic record of all the design choices and tool application you made. So instant redrafting with new measurements. The magic happens when you import that memorized draft back, then simply select a completely different set of measurements. And the software will automatically redraft the entire pattern. It intelligently reapplies all your original design decisions and tool actions, substituting the new measurement values to create a perfectly scaled pattern. It's fantastic. That means I can draft a style. Let's say I see a beautiful style. I want to draft it for my customer. I can draft it with my customer's measurement. And then I will export it as a memorized draft. So if somebody else wants to buy it, that same pattern, I can draft it according to that person's measurement. Let me repeat that. This memorization thing simply means that you can draft a particular pattern of a particular style for a particular measurement set. And then when you export that pattern as a memorized draft, this pattern now, it is not just a kind of static image, it is a kind of dynamic record of all the design tools you used, of all the design choices you made. So now that simply means that when you now import that memorized draft back, and then you select a new measurement set for that style, the Pattern Maker Pro will automatically redraft that pattern according to that new measurement set. It might be confusing for you now, but when I actually show how it is done, you tend to understand it. So that is it about that. So that's it about this section. Now, I think I've talked about the demo. Now, here you have the manual. The manual, you will be able to, read everything. What is Pattern Maker Pro? How to install it, the quick start, how to enter values, everything. This is just the manual. Everything that you need to know. It's not so boring or extensive like that. You can just take maybe one day, read 2 or 3 sections, the next day read it. Because when you're starting any new patterns, or you want to use any new software, it's better you read through it and understand it, so that when you start using it, it will not be so confusing. So everything is here, everything that you need to know how to do. Okay, I think it has to do how to import image, how to scale image, how to link image, how to delete image. Okay. Utilities, everything. It shows you they have a well-detailed manual for you if you're interested in understanding how to use Pattern Maker Pro. So that's it here too, that has to do with learning. You know, you have measurement sets, you have information on using tutorials. You can visit import draft tutorials. That means even as you want to draft, if you want to draft a basic block, they will be telling you step by step what to do once you import this draft tutorial. And then you can also learn here how to import measurement sets onto the Pattern Maker Pro. They already have some pre-loaded measurement sets you can use to practice. These are different measurement sets you can use to practice. You can download it and then upload it and use it to practice. Like here, easy fit knit block. Instructions for the knit block and sloper with optional ease and all that requires a minimal set of measurements. You know, these are printable instructions. These are walkthrough instructions. For instance, if you want to click that, it will just download here, and then you will now upload it and then use it. You will now use it on the Pattern Maker Pro. It will be instructing you step by step how to do it, real step by step, how you can actually do that. So that is where you have your learning resources. You come here to their newsletter. Everybody knows what a newsletter is. You can just sign up here with your email so that when they have updates and all that, you can actually get it. Then if you want to contact them, there's a contact us here. Then you can contact them here to get in touch with them if you're having any challenge or anything. So that's all there is to it. So the question now is, where do you start? You start from the demo. But for if I'm you like me, I have not yet downloaded this demo. I want to go through the manual first and see whether there are things that are different from the other Pattern Maker Pro that I used to use. I need to really go through the manual and go through a lot of things to understand how I can start using the demo. Then before I end this video, I need you to know what does it cost today. So if you click on here, what does Pattern Maker Pro cost today? This is where the opportunity to own your own pattern drafting software comes in. Pattern Maker Pro is not on any kind of subscription. They are back, but they are back to give you your opportunity to own your very own pattern drafting software. So once you buy Pattern Maker Pro with this amount, $399, the software becomes yours. It becomes yours. And the good thing is that you're given a free demo version of it for you to try your hands on it. There's nothing like giving you 30 days trial, nothing, or 1 week trial. You have forever to try on your hands on it and see if it is something that you know you can work with. Then when you're satisfied that, okay, I like it, I like the way it works, then you're ready to buy it. Then you are ready to buy it. They give you complete access to all features when you're doing this demo. They give you 2 measurement sets for you to use in the demo. So because that means you can now evaluate how the software works. You look at the software's functionality, no restrictions, you know. So it does not run on mobile phones or tablets, it only runs on laptops. So that's it. And this is just what it means. No subscriptions, 100% private. All your patterns, blocks, and your measurement sets, they are saved locally on your computer. You can work offline, which is very, very interesting to me. And then the patterns you design are yours. You have full ownership and exclusive right to your patterns. So that's it. That's it. When you buy Pattern Maker Pro at this amount, it becomes yours. You don't need to subscribe, you don't need to do anything. So with that, I've come to the end of this video. So if you're interested in owning your very own pattern, CAD pattern drafting software that you can use to do your business, you can use to draft your patterns and everything, then Pattern Maker Pro is your choice. That's it. And then you have the opportunity to see how it works. You look at the free demo. If it works fine for you, if it's smooth for you, then you can go for it. So with that, I've come to the end of this video. I hope I've given you enough details on the Pattern Maker Pro for you to make your decisions. And I hope to see you in my next video.